ready to ditch the real estate chaos and finally take control of your business. Today, we're diving into the heart of Kvcore and demystifying the agent account, your central command station for all things real estate. Think of it as your personalized control panel within the Kvcore platform. At its core, your agent account empowers you to manage leads efficiently. The smart CRM lets you capture, organize, and nurture potential clients with detailed profiles and automated follow-up. You can track their activity, personalize communication, and build lasting relationships. Next up, marketing. Autopilot. Your agent account provides access to powerful marketing tools, including email campaigns, text alerts, and social media integrations, all designed to generate leads and keep you top of mind. Properties are key. Through your agent account, you have instant access to all MLS listings. You can set up saved searches for your clients, send them property alerts, and track their engagement, ensuring they see the best options the moment they hit the market. Your agent account also gives you the keys to your Kvcore website. Using the website manager, you can customize your online presence, add compelling content, and optimize for SEO, making it easier for potential clients to find you. Don't forget about control. Your agent account allows you to manage user permissions. So if you have a team, you can assign roles and grant access to specific features, ensuring data security and team efficiency. Finally, your agent account is fully customizable. You can update your profile picture, contact information, and notification settings to personalize your experience and ensure you're always in the loop. So, that's a quick overview of your Kvcore agent account. Master these features and get ready to supercharge your real estate business.